As I've gotten older, I've really realized how important health is, right? But not just let me go to the doctor, write out a prescription, and go home and I'm supposedly fine, right? But like really understanding your health. Well, there's a healthcare system that also believes in that, or I should say a clinic. I want to bring in Dr. Brannick-Riggs. Hi, Dr. Brannick. How are you?
I'm doing well. Thank you for having me.
Of course. Okay, now we got to talk about your clinic because you guys do things a little bit different. Tell us about it.
We do. We of course, we're a comprehensive primary care clinic, so we take care of any of the immediate needs of our patients. But in addition to that, we take a deeper dive into someone's health. We look at family history, we look at social history, lifestyle issues, to really determine where are they now, so they can get a clear picture of where their health is, and then where they're headed, what the trajectory is over the next 20 to 30 years. We really prefer to prevent the major illnesses from happening, heart attacks, etc., rather than treat them on the back end once they have happened.
We're seeing those pictures right there, Prime Meridian Healthcare, and you guys have a location up here, Pleasant Grove, but also one down south.
We do have one in St. George as well. Dr. Scott Norda.
So let's talk about some of the things you do. You know, I mean, you're not just prescribing a prescription saying go home, but you're really looking at the lifestyle and, you know, what are some of the things you offer?
So we are really focused on what we call the 3 R's, which is reversing the course of chronic disease, reducing dependence on prescription drugs, and reclaiming our quality of life. We do that through integrating a number of modalities. Of course, we use traditional medicine. I'm a traditionally trained physician from the University of Arizona. But in addition to that, we look at integrative modalities such as acupuncture, herbals, supplements, as well as using essential oils in our treatment plans for our patients. So we really have this wide variety of things that we can choose from based on what we believe to be helpful, as well as what the patient's belief is.
Well, and it works out perfectly that you're in our doTERRA lounge right now, because doTERRA essential oils, you know, we've talked about them quite a bit and how they help. So what is your, what are your 2 cents on essential oils?
So I was introduced to essential oils a number of years ago by my wife. I think most of us men have our wives bring these into our lives. And it's been a blessing to us ever since. I really have an interest in the chemistry of essential oils and how they might be used. Recently, have been quite fascinated by research out of Japan in something called Shinrin-yoku, which is forest bathing, similar to sunbathing. It's going out in a forest, being in nature and breathing the beautiful air that we find there, and finding that there are actually some health benefits to that. It's been shown to reduce blood pressure, it's been shown to calm the pulse, it's been shown to boost our immune systems. And as you dig into that research, you find that those same chemical substances that you can breathe in the forest air can be found through essential oils and diffusing them in your home. And so we can receive those benefits when we can't take the time to go out into nature. We can receive those in our home as well.
I couldn't agree more. I mean, there's something so powerful about different smells, putting them on your skin, but like you say, being out in the forest and smelling those pine trees or something, and then you can have that in your home. It's got to do something to us. Yeah,
absolutely. It's fascinating to know that the things that we have over the centuries come to feel good about, that science is now catching up and showing that there really are health benefits. Not just do we feel better, but it is changing our physiology. It's amazing.
Very interesting. Well, and you do things like acupuncture as well, which I love.
Absolutely. We have Dr. Heather Pickett, who is our medical acupuncturist. She's a family practice doc, such as myself, who has extensive training in acupuncture and does a large amount of that there.
Well, Dr. Riggs, I like it because I am so passionate about not just going in and getting a prescription, but really getting to the root cause and understanding your body, and it sounds like you guys do just that. So give them your website if they want more information.
You betcha. We can be found at www.pmhclinics.com, and then our phone number was up on the screen. So
great.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you so much for coming in. Nice to meet you.
You as well.